In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your photos private on Facebook. When you go ahead and make photos to be private, it means they'll only be visible to you, or they'll only be visible to the people you have allowed them to be visible. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. To get started, tap on your icon here on top to open the menu. Under this, go ahead and tap on your name. And then when you scroll down, you'll see we have this photos option. And now go ahead and tap on it. And this will expose all the photos that you have on your Facebook account. Now from this, go ahead and identify the photos or the images that you want to make private. For my case, I want to make this photo private. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And from here, tap on the ellipsis on the top right corner. And now under this, you will see we have this option called Edit Privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, currently this photo is set to be public and anyone on or off Facebook can see it. However, I'll wish to change this and make this photo not public, but only visible to me. To do that, I'll choose this Only Me option. And when I choose this, it will now be only visible to me. Should you want this to be visible to your friends only, go ahead and tap on friends. Or should you just want this to be visible to a specific number of people, go ahead and tap on friends except and then choose the names of the people you don't want to see. So once you're done, go ahead and tap on save to effect the changes. And now this photo is not available to the public, but only available to me. So that's how you make your photos private on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.